Have you ever wondered how the editors were able to make those slick speed ramps, where the footage speeds up and down in a smooth way? This is used all the time in edits to give the viewers an impression of emotion. Imagine a fast traveling car on your screen, and then when the car reaches the center of the screen it slows down, and all the raindrops and emotions of the fans behind the stadium and the details of the car are all exposed and focused on when it slows down. Those techniques are what I will be teaching you now. Of course, at this stage it will be a very simple but efficient way of playing with speed on video. First, find your timeline and video that you want to play with, adjust it so that it is focused and that you can easily apply effects on it. Then right click on your desired video, click Show Clip Keyframes and Time Remapping and Speed. Now the adjustment line on your video in the timeline is connected to the speed of the clip rather than the opacity. Here we want to create keyframes to decide which area of the clip we want to adjust the speed of. In this instance, I want to make his punch in the air celebration a bit more epic and interesting. It starts in slow motion, but then I want to speed it up, and of course to add to that, you can add sound effects to complement the speed change. For now, make sure that you have enough footage on the scene to add the increase of speed. When the rough transition is done, you want to add a smoother transition into the change of speed so it's not linear. Hold Ctrl button and select with your mouse the keyframe you want to add a transition to. Hold the mouse button whilst adjusting the graph or the line so that it gives you a curve instead of the linear line we had. And now look, much better. So let's work on the next clip so that it matches this transition. Since the first clip of the driver ends in a fast speed, we want the next clip to start fast but transition into a slower speed to add an effect. To make sure it's accurate, try to match the same amount of speed increase as the previous footage. Remember to also add a nice curve transition on the speed ramp. And now let's look through it and see if we're happy. Yeah, this looks satisfactory. Now this is another quick tip on how you can increase speed. Right click and simply hit speed duration. Add the desired speed increase or decrease and see what happens. Remember to invest in your future, and if you have any questions regarding this course or anything else in editing or shooting, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much for this time, and I'll see you in the next course.